I am Kris Hunter, and I have a page called Creating with Kris Hunter. I have a champagne bottle. Okay, I printed this one out. So I printed it out on rice paper. I'm gonna cut this. I already painted my champagne bottle. I didn't do anything except paint it with some chalk paint. But let's get some Mod Podge. So I've got a good amount of Mod Podge on here. So I'm just smoothing all the edges down. Smoothing everything down on this. Okay, so I have this on the bottle. I'm gonna use gold on this. This is, I believe, this is the bling wrap. I'm gonna go right here. I need to cut it. Okay, and my seam is going to be in the back. You just put a little hot glue on here. Just for me. I'm gonna put trim around this, and I'm gonna use double. Come on this side. And I'm gonna take my hot glue gun, put just a line of glue down, and do that, and pat it down. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna go with the line right there. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time on this one because I want to line this up right there. Okay, so see, we have our bottle, our label all framed out. So you can see so far, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute! Look at it so far! Look at it! Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I have just some average, regular, I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, not quite certain, just some regular glitter. Okay. I have to put my bling on here first. But I just gave a slight bend to this one. I'm gonna take the thickest parts of this piece of bling and I'm going to put hot glue on it. Okay, we are going to take Mod Podge. I'm gonna start with this area up here. Okay, I'm putting a pretty good coat, but you have to do this in small sections, guys, because it will dry. The Mod Podge will dry. I want to try to get it around the crown at one time. Because that's going to be the part that is going to be the hardest. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. You guys, cannot wait to see this. Okay. Look at this. Look at what it's going to look like. Now, we're just going to keep going around this with our Mod Podge. Look at how amazing. I want to make sure that I'm getting it around this edge right here. Here is what I did. I saved the cork, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around the cork. Set it in there. I am going to take some hot glue, putting it on the edge, and I'm gonna hold that right there, okay? This would be a fun gift.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.